ClearSight Jr Finger Cuff Placement Tutorial. Non-invasive and easy to apply, the ClearSight Jr Finger Cuff offers continuous blood pressure and advanced hemodynamic parameters. For proper placement, gently open the finger cuff and place it on the middle phalanx of the patient's index, middle, or ring finger. Align the patient's finger between the two green lines and center the cuff between the second and third knuckles. Align the distal end of the finger with the center line of the alignment tab. Allow the finger cuff to close around the finger, ensuring that it remains aligned and does not rotate. External diode markers on either side can help verify proper alignment. These markers should be halfway between the second and third knuckles on each side of the finger. Remove the adhesive backing and secure the cuff around the finger. Remove the adhesive backing from the distal end of the alignment tab and secure to the top of the finger cuff. Lead the finger cuff cable to the left and between the two fingers toward the backside of the hand and plug the finger cuff connector into the pressure controller. The ClearSight Jr Finger Cuff is designed for single patient use. Upon starting a measurement, the finger cuff can be used and reapplied for up to 72 hours on one patient.